So right now, I do research in radio astronomy.
As the country logistics manager for University of Sri Lanka,
research manager at Facebook,
PhD candidate at the University of Calgary,
working as a technical consultant in an IT services company.
I work as an EHS research analyst.
I work as a senior analytical scientist.
Working as a global procurement manager for Unilever.
Hi everyone, my name is Radhika Jayasundara. I currently live in the Silicon Valley in the US and I'm a research manager at Facebook. So before I came to the US, I was undergraduate like you guys at the University of Colombo Science Faculty. I was in the 2002 A-level batch in physical science and I did the P4 combination. So after I finished my general degree, I moved to the US to do a PhD in demography. So demography is a very quantitative field which has a lot of statistics and applied math. And then after I finished my PhD, I moved to UC Berkeley in Northern California and I did a postdoc there. And then I got recruited by Facebook to do demographic research. And that was 8 years ago. Since then, my role at Facebook has evolved. Now I manage a team of research scientists who does causal inference and experimentation to support new product development at Facebook. So that's a little bit about myself. So in terms of fondest memories at the faculty, one thing I'm very grateful of is the opportunity to do a lot of sports at the University of Colombo. I got to do swimming, rowing, basketball, and athletics. And as a result, I got to know a lot of other students in my generation who were from other faculties as well, like the medical faculty or the law faculty. So we used to have a lot of fun, participating in SLUG, Sri Lanka University Games, and some of us got the chance to represent Sri Lanka at the World University Games. And those were really, fond memories when I think about my undergraduate years. And in terms of the experience or the benefit, I feel like I got from the science faculty, the foundation I got, especially in applied math and statistics, was really helpful for my PhD program, but more so in the corporate sector. So even subjects like differential equations, game theory, which seems to be very theoretical, became very, important for practical applications. So I'm very thankful and grateful for the opportunity I got, in terms of the education at the University of Colombo. And then finally, I want to give a quick shout out to Feel Lanka alumni organization. So this is a great organization that funnels resources into community activities to the alumni. So I highly encourage you to check them out online and hopefully become part of them. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, my name is Nipuni Palliaguru and I'm a postdoctoral researcher at Texas Tech University in Lubbock, Texas, in the United States. I got my PhD from West Virginia University. And so right now, I do research in radio astronomy, mainly focusing on compact objects like pulsars, supernova, and gravitational wave sources. I got my Bachelor of Physics from the University of Colombo in 2007. I did a physics special degree. And the University of Colombo was definitely a stepping stone for my career as a research scientist. So today, when the Faculty of Science is celebrating 100 years, he is wishing for continued excellence and for the Faculty of Science to become a world-leading institution in education.
I am Jitamala Caldera. I am a proud alumna of the Faculty of Science at the University of Colombo. I specialized in mathematics and statistics with computer science and I was in the 2002-2003 A batch. I obtained my master's in civil engineering at the University of Calgary. As a PhD candidate at the University of Calgary, I am developing a new universal severity scale for all types of natural disasters, ranging from a small community fire to a large-scale tsunamis. Because no global method exists that provide a real magnitude of the natural disaster severity levels. This scale looks at the severity based on impact factors, including fatalities, injuries, homeless, affected population, and cost of damage, giving a rating scale from 0 to 10, 0 being no impact and 10 being a worldwide cataclysm. This common global severity classification scheme is used to assess a disaster for its various purposes, such as help government and relief agencies respond when disaster strikes and gauge the need for international assistance. Hence, I had the privilege to present my research at the 3rd United Nations World Conference on Disaster Risk Reduction 2015 in Sendai, Japan. And I am a member of the Science and Technology Major Group delegation at the UN conference to promote a strong science base for the post-2015 framework for disaster risk reduction. I want to help Sri Lankan students to see the diverse possibilities and grasp the opportunities they have and become successful. To make my impact on Sri Lankan education, I joined hands with Sri Lanka. I shared a lot of memories in the Faculty of Science. I cherish the time we spent chit-chatting under the nuga tree, sharing lunch and having plain tea and parippu vade at the open canteen. Playing cricket on sports days, studying together on exam days, playing 304 after lectures, trips that we went on and friendship we shared. I represented University of Colombo at the GACC World Intervarsity Chess Championship held in Malaysia. I vice-captained and captained the University Women's Chess team. I also vice-captained the University Women's Athletic team. I loved practicing chess athletic and LA with other members of the team, competing at the interfaculty games and inter-university games. I am incredibly grateful to all the faculty members, lecturers, university staff, and support staff for all the opportunities that we had. I would not be where I am today without that experience. The 4 years spent on Faculty of Science truly were the best days of my life. Dear Faculty of Science, we owe you and adore you. We love you and glory you. Thank you.
Vanakkam. My name is Kavita and I'm from Toronto, Canada. I work as an EHS research analyst. I'm from 2002-2003 A batch from the University of Colombo. I did a 4-year degree in math, statistics with computer science and obtained a first class. This helped me to get a scholarship to do my master's in statistics from University of Toronto. I had lots of wonderful memories and good times from the University of Colombo. I found my husband from UCSC, same batch. Thank you.
I'm Nirodha Ileton. I live in Essex, United Kingdom. I work as a senior analytical scientist in drug product development. I'm from Galle. I did my degree in 2003-2006 from biological sciences. I did a general degree. From university education, I have gained valuable academic qualifications as well as personal development skills to help me to become who I am today. And also I have met friends who last for life as well as valuable memories.
Ayubowan. I'm Madhura Dharmaratna from a small village called Kahatudu. I'm Sri Lanka co-founder. Now working as a global procurement manager for Unilever. I am from a stat with computer science special degree. Many of our friends told so many good things about science faculty, and I'm not going to say much about it. Only thing that I need to say is nothing can last 100 years without greatness. So we all are nurtured with that greatness. My request is for you to start practicing that greatness today. I'll tell you a truth, something that I experienced. You will be in your 20s now. I invite you to think about what you may want to achieve in 20 years' time, your purpose of life. You are in the right place to find your purpose today. So do it now. You know, my father's generation found their purpose in their 60s. Once they retired, they never had a chance to practice it. Our generation still finding their purpose in 30s and have some space to practice it, but not fully. But your generation needs to find the purpose in 20s. Then you have ample time to explore it and change this world to a better place. You have time to invest on others in your 30s means that you have achieved. But you have to start it in your 20s. Then only you create that space for you. Go for it. You will feel the beauty of life. As I said, Faculty of Science is the right place to find your purpose. So do it today. Finally, we invite you to explore your purpose with Sri Lanka. It will be your platform to practice your purpose. Come join with us. Thank you.
Hi, it's Pramit Gamage from Colombo, Sri Lanka. My hometown is Veligama. I am from 2002-2003 A Science batch. I followed the statistics special degree. My lifelong memory from university life is a trip called Alakole. I've gathered a lot of academic skills from the university life that I had, especially following the statistics special degree, which gave me a huge leap in my career, especially in planning, where I led the SNOP team for University Sri Lanka. I'm currently heading the logistics function as the country logistics manager for University Sri Lanka. About 1,000 plus employees report to me, both from Unilever and 3PLs. And I've gathered a lot of leadership skills from especially from Stat Circle activities, where I was the vice president in 2006 and I became the president of the Stat Circle in 2007. I enjoyed a lot organizing the Stat Day events in both years. A lot of skills I've gathered from moving with people, the PR skills and everything helped me to shape my career as well as my personal life. I should also make a note to admire, appreciate the good work being done by Sri Lanka, where it helps to reap the best out of the education system in Sri Lanka, which is a non-profit organization, which is formed by 2002-2003 A batch members initially, and spreading across the globe. All the best. Stay safe.
Hello everyone, I'm Chintak Vimalratna from Sydney, Australia, working as a technical consultant in an IT services company here in Sydney. And my hometown is Paduka. And I was studying in University of Colombo Science Faculty from 2003 to 2007, and studied computational physics. I was from the first batch of computational physics. I still remember the days which we organized the Freshers Welcome and all the other sports events and participating into university games and all the other fun stuff that we did those days. The studies and the research that we did, I'm really proud of that, and I learned a lot. And right now, while I'm working here in Sydney, Australia, I'm using all those my skills which I gained from Faculty of Science. I would like to wish everyone who's studying at University of Colombo you are at the best place to shape your future.